Welcome back to Z Coins. Today, we have an incredible story about a 1977 D1 cent coin that's worth a whopping $85,000. Yes, you heard that right, $85,000 for a penny. Stick around to find out what makes this coin so special and how you might have one hiding in your collection. First, let's set the stage. The 1977 D penny was minted at the Denver Mint, one of the primary mints in the United States. During this time, millions of pennies were produced, so what makes this particular one stand out? It's all about the errors and rarities that can occur during the minting process. The key to this coin's astronomical value lies in a minting error. This 1977 D penny has a unique double die error on the obverse side. If you look closely, you'll see that the inscriptions and Lincoln's portrait appear doubled. This error occurred during the minting process when the die struck the coin twice, slightly misaligned, creating a doubled image. So, how does this error translate to such a high value? Minting errors like this are incredibly rare, especially when they're as prominent as the one on this 1977 D penny. Collectors and numismatists are always on the lookout for such unique pieces, and they're willing to pay top dollar for them. As of now, this particular coin's market value has reached an astounding $85,000. If you think you might have a valuable 1977 D penny, it's crucial to get it authenticated and graded. Professional grading services like PCGS or NGC can verify the coin's authenticity and determine its condition, which significantly impacts its value. The better the condition, the higher the value. Currently, the coin market is buzzing with excitement over rare finds like this one. With the increasing interest in numismatics and the historical significance of such errors, the value of these coins is only expected to rise. So, now might be the perfect time to check your coin jars and collections. Who knew that a simple penny could be worth so much? The 1977 D1 coin with its unique error is a true gem in the world of coin collecting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to your channel name, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. And remember, always keep an eye on your change. You never know what treasures you might find. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting! We're diving into the fascinating story of the 1971 D1 dime coin that's making waves in the coin collecting community. This tiny piece of currency could be worth a staggering $20,000. Stick around to find out why. Hi everyone, I'm Z Coins, and today we're exploring one of the most intriguing and valuable finds in modern coin collecting, the 1971 D1 dime coin. Now, you might be wondering, how can a coin minted for just 1 cent be worth so much? Let's dig into its fascinating history and the factors that make it so valuable. The 1971 D1 dime coin was produced at the Denver Mint. During this time, the U.S. Mint was transitioning between different metal compositions, leading to some unique minting errors. These errors are highly sought after by collectors. One key feature of the 1971 D1 dime coin is its composition. Unlike typical dimes, which are composed of a combination of copper and nickel, this particular error coin has a copper core. This mistake makes it stand out and significantly increases its value. Spoke with some experts at a recent coin collection convention to get their insights on this rare find. Here's what they had to say. The rarity of the 1971 D1 dime coin cannot be overstated. With only a few known to exist, collectors are willing to pay top dollar for it. The market value of this coin has surged over the years. Its current value is around $20,000, but with the right buyer, it could go even higher. So, how can you determine if you have one of these rare coins? First, check the date and mint mark. It should clearly show 1971 D. Next, examine the coin's weight and composition. A professional appraisal can confirm if it's the valuable error coin. If you think you have a 1971 D1 dime coin, it's time to get it appraised. With its current market value at $20,000, you could be holding a small fortune in your hands. Thanks for joining us on this exciting coin discovery journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Who knows? Your next coin find could be a treasure waiting to be discovered. Happy hunting! We have an incredibly exciting topic, a tiny coin that's making a huge impact. That's right, we're talking about the 2016 P dime, which could be worth up to $25,000. Let's dive in. This is the coin in question. At first glance, it looks just like any other dime you might have in your pocket. But don't be fooled. This coin has a unique story and a rare feature that makes it extremely valuable. In 2016, the Philadelphia Mint produced a small number of dimes with a very special characteristic. These coins bear a P mint mark, which is actually quite unusual for dimes. Normally, dimes minted in Philadelphia don't have a mint mark at all. So, how did these P mark dimes come into existence? To celebrate the 225th anniversary of the United States Mint, the Philadelphia Mint decided to add their P mint mark to a small batch of dimes. This decision was somewhat under the radar, and many of these coins ended up in circulation without collectors even realizing their significance. The key feature to look out for is this tiny P mint mark just above the year on the coin. It's easy to miss, but if you find one, you could be holding a small fortune. So, what makes the 2016 P dime so valuable? It's all about rarity and condition. Only a limited number of these dimes were produced, and even fewer are in mint condition today. Collectors are willing to pay top dollar for coins in pristine condition. If you think you have a 2016 P dime, the first step is to get it graded by a professional service like PCGS or NGC. They will assess its condition and authenticity, which can significantly impact its value. Recently, a 2016 P dime in perfect condition sold for an astonishing $25,000 at auction. Yes, you heard that right, $25,000 for a single dime. So, next time you're checking your pocket change or sorting through that old coin jar, keep an eye out for the 2016 P dime. It could be your lucky day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest coin collecting tips and treasures. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting! We have a fascinating story about a tiny coin that's worth a massive fortune. Can you imagine a 2015 D1-cent dime being valued at a staggering $35,000? Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned to find out how this rare coin turned heads in the numismatic world. Hi everyone! I'm CE Coins, and today, we're diving deep into the mystery and magic behind the 2015 D1-cent dime that's capturing the attention of collectors everywhere. How did this ordinary-looking coin end up being so extraordinary? Let's find out. First, let's take a closer look at the coin itself. This 2015 D dime was minted in Denver, as indicated by the D mint mark. At first glance, it might seem like any other dime, but there's something special about this one. What's so unique about this coin? Well, it's all about a rare minting error. This particular dime has a striking mistake. It was accidentally struck on a penny planchet, which means it's a dime with the composition and size of a penny. Minting errors are fascinating and often rare, but this one is exceptionally so. Typically, pennies are struck on copper-plated zinc planchets, whereas dimes are struck on a copper nickel clad. The mix-up of materials and sizes makes this error incredibly valuable. Errors like the 2015 D1-cent dime are highly sought after by collectors. The rarity and uniqueness of such mistakes significantly boost their market value. In pristine condition, such coins can fetch prices as high as $35,000 or even more at auctions. And speaking of auctions, when a coin like this hits the market, it creates quite a buzz. Collectors and investors alike are eager to get their hands on such a rare piece of minting history. So, how can you tell if you have one of these rare coins? It's all about the details. Check the size, weight, and composition of your dime. If it feels different or looks slightly off, it might just be worth a closer inspection. Also, getting your coin authenticated by a professional grading service is crucial. They can verify its authenticity and condition, which is essential for determining its true market value. That's all for today's fascinating look at the 2015 D1-cent dime worth a fortune. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible coin stories. And who knows, maybe you have a hidden treasure in your pocket change. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on your channel name. We've got a fascinating story that will make you want to check your pocket change right away. Imagine finding a coin worth thousands of dollars just lying around. Well, it's possible, and we're talking about the incredible 2014 1-cent dime coin worth a staggering $40,000. That's right, a simple 2014 dime that's worth as much as a luxury car. But how did this happen? Let's dive into the details. First, a bit of history. In 2014, the U.S. Mint accidentally struck a small number of dimes on penny planchets. That's the metal discs used to make pennies. These error coins, known as mules, are incredibly rare and highly sought after by collectors. This particular error is often referred to as a wrong planchet error and can significantly increase a coin's value. But what makes this coin so special and valuable? Let's break it down. The coin should have the diameter of a penny but features the design of a dime. You'll see the 2014 date and the D mint mark, indicating it was minted in Denver. These unique characteristics make it stand out to experienced collectors, and the rarity of such a mint error drives its market value sky high. So, how much is this coin worth today? As of now, the market value for a 2014 1-cent dime error coin is around $40,000. That's right, $40,000. But prices can fluctuate based on demand and the coin's condition. Recent auctions have seen these coins sell for astonishing amounts, reflecting the high interest and competition among collectors. Now you might be wondering, how can you tell if you have one of these rare coins? Here are a few tips. 1. Use a caliper to measure the diameter. It should match a penny. 2. Look closely for the 2014 date and the D mint mark. 3. If you think you've found one, get it authenticated by a professional coin grading service. Finding a rare coin like this is like winning the lottery for coin collectors. So, next time you get your change, take a closer look. You might just have a hidden treasure in your hands. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting coin discoveries. Happy hunting! We have an exciting story about a rare coin that has collectors buzzing. It's the 2002 1-cent dime coin, a coin that's worth a lot of money. Yes, you heard that right. This little coin, originally minted as a simple dime, is now valued at an astonishing $45,000. But why is it so special? Let's dive into the fascinating history and features of this rare coin. In 2002, the Denver Mint produced millions of dimes, but only a handful of these were mistakenly struck on a 1-cent planchet, a copper disc meant for pennies. This error resulted in a unique coin that combines the size and design of a dime with the copper composition of a penny. The D mint mark on the coin indicates it was minted in Denver, adding to its rarity. The 2002 1-cent dime coin is a perfect example of a mint error that captivates collectors. Its rarity, combined with the curiosity it sparks, drives its high market value. These coins rarely appear on the market, but when they do, they cause quite a stir. The most recent sale of a 2002 1-cent dime coin fetched an incredible $45,000. To identify this rare coin, look for the date 2002 and the D mint mark. The key feature is its copper color, unlike the usual silver color of dimes. Comparing it to a regular dime, you can clearly see the difference in color and composition. This striking error makes it a standout piece in any collection. If you happen to come across a 2002 1-cent dime coin, make sure to have it authenticated by a professional. Its value can only be confirmed through proper verification. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, the 2002 1-cent dime coin is a reminder that treasure can be found in the most unexpected places. Keep an eye on your change, you never know what rare gems might be hiding there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the world of numismatics. Happy collecting! We've got an incredible story about a rare coin that's making waves in the numismatic world. Imagine finding a simple 1998 D dime that's worth, wait for it, $75,000. Yes, you heard that right. let's dive into the fascinating world of this extraordinary coin. First, let's talk about the history of the 1998 D dime. Minted at the Denver Mint, these dimes were part of the regular production run. So, what makes this particular coin so special? It's all about a rare minting error. This dime was struck on a 1-cent planchet. That's the blank metal disc used to make coins. Instead of the usual copper-nickel blend, this dime is made of copper, just like a penny. Such errors are extremely rare and highly sought after by collectors. Take a closer look. You can see the copper color peeking through, and the coin is slightly smaller in diameter compared to a regular dime. These distinctive features make it easily identifiable as a mint error. So, how rare is this coin? Only a handful of these error coins have ever been discovered. This rarity skyrockets its value. In fact, one of these 1998 D dime errors recently sold at auction for an astonishing $75,000. This error is a dream find for collectors. The combination of its unique minting mistake and the limited number of known examples makes it extremely valuable. If you come across one of these coins, you're looking at a significant financial windfall. Wondering how to spot one of these rare coins in your own collection? Here's what to look for: a 1998 date, the D mint mark, and the copper color of a penny. It's also slightly smaller than a regular dime. Check your change, coin jars, and old collections. You might just have a hidden treasure. So, what are you waiting for? Start searching through your coins today. You never know, you might just find a 1998 D dime error and strike it rich. Thanks for joining us on this coin adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about rare and valuable coins, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy hunting! We have an exciting episode for you. We're diving into the fascinating world of rare coins, and we've got a real gem to talk about: the 1994 D 1-cent dime coin that's worth an astonishing $70,000. Yes, you heard that right. A 1994 D dime that's worth $70,000. But how can a dime be worth so much? Let's find out. First, let's take a closer look at this extraordinary coin. The 1994 D dime was minted in Denver, and it's one of the rarest error coins in the world. What makes it so special? It's all about the minting mistake. This coin was accidentally struck on a 1-cent planchet instead of a dime planchet. During the minting process, coins are struck onto blank metal discs called planchets. In 1994, a few 1-cent planchets mistakenly found their way into the dime production line at the Denver Mint. The result? A coin that's the size of a penny but with the design of a dime, a true numismatic marvel. But rarity alone doesn't determine a coin's value. The condition of the coin, known as its grade, plays a significant role. This particular 1994 D dime is graded as MS67 by the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, which means it's in superb condition with only a few minor imperfections visible under magnification. To give you an idea, the grading scale goes from 1 to 70, with MS70 being a perfect, flawless coin. So, an MS67 grade is incredibly high and highly desirable among collectors. The current market value of this 1994 D dime? A jaw-dropping $70,000. That's right, this tiny coin has fetched huge prices at auctions, making it one of the most sought-after error coins in numismatic history. So, if you're a coin enthusiast or just someone with a keen eye for treasure, keep a lookout for unusual coins. You never know what hidden gems might be lurking in your pocket change. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of rare coins. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more fascinating stories from the world of numismatics. And remember, treasure can come in the smallest of packages. We have an astonishing discovery that will leave you speechless. Imagine finding a coin worth a staggering $65,000 in your pocket change. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the extremely rare 1981 D 1-cent dime. Hi everyone, I'm Z Coins and today we're diving into the fascinating world of numismatics with a coin that's causing quite a buzz. This 1981 D1 cent dime is not just any ordinary coin. It's a true gem in the world of coin collecting. First, let's talk about why this coin is so special. The 1981 D1 cent dime is a minting error that combines the reverse of a Lincoln cent with the obverse of a Roosevelt dime. Such an error is incredibly rare, making it highly sought after by collectors. Minting errors occur when there's a mishap during the coin production process. In the case of the 1981 D1 cent dime, the error happened at the Denver Mint, where a Lincoln cent planchet was struck with a Roosevelt dime die. This anomaly resulted in a coin that is both unique and valuable. Now you might be wondering, how can a small piece of metal be worth $65,000? The answer lies in its rarity and condition. There are only a handful of these coins known to exist, and collectors are willing to pay top dollar for a specimen in excellent condition. Collectors are always on the lookout for unique and rare coins. The 1981 D1 cent dime is a perfect example of a coin that has a fascinating story and incredible value. Its rarity and the fact that it was a mint error make it extremely desirable. When one appears at auction, it generates a lot of excitement and competition among bidders. Recently, one such coin was auctioned for an astonishing $65,000, setting a new benchmark for its value. The intense bidding war showcased just how coveted this minting error has become in the coin collecting community. So, if you ever come across a coin that looks a bit different, don't dismiss it too quickly. You might be holding a small fortune in your hands. The 1981 D1 cent dime is a reminder that even the tiniest errors can lead to incredible discoveries. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of rare coins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories from the world of numismatics. Until next time, happy collecting! We have an incredible story for you about a 1966 1-cent dime that's currently valued at a whopping $60,000. Yes, you heard that right, $60,000 for a single coin. Let's dive into the details. Now you might be wondering, how did a simple dime from 1966 become so valuable? It's all about rarity, history, and a little bit of luck. In 1966, the United States Mint was in a transitional period, and due to a series of unusual events, a few coins were minted in error. During this time, the Mint was supposed to be producing dimes made of a copper-nickel clad composition. However, a small number of dimes were mistakenly struck on bronze planchets, the same material used for pennies. This mix-up resulted in a batch of unique coins, known as transitional errors. These rare dimes, often referred to as 1966 bronze dimes, are almost identical in appearance to regular dimes, but their composition and weight are different. The unique bronze planchet gives these dimes a distinct value among collectors. Transitional error coins are incredibly rare because they were produced accidentally and in very limited quantities. The 1966 bronze dime is one of the most sought-after error coins in numismatics, and its value can skyrocket, especially if it's in excellent condition. So, how can you tell if you have one of these valuable dimes? First, you'll need a good magnifying glass and a precise scale. A regular 1966 dime should weigh about 2.27 grams, but a bronze dime will weigh around 3.11 grams. Also, look for any unusual coloration compared to a standard dime. If you think you've found a 1966 bronze dime, it's crucial to get it authenticated by a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC. Authentication and grading can significantly affect the coin's value. One such coin was recently sold for an astonishing $60,000 at auction, making it one of the most valuable error coins ever discovered. This just goes to show the incredible potential hidden in pocket change and coin collections. So, there you have it, the fascinating story of the 1966 1-cent dime worth $60,000. Make sure to check your coin collections, you might just be sitting on a fortune. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Coin Discoveries, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on rare and valuable coins. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting!